Should I be worried if my landlord decides to sell the place I'm living in? Well, here's my top 5 reasons it's not as bad as it seems. I'm John Williams from Perth Real Estate Exchange, and I'm going to explain what to expect if your landlord decides to sell the home that you're living in. First of all, you will be protected under the Residential Tenancies Act and indeed the lease terms which you would have signed with the owner or managing agent. Any new owner will be bound by these terms. Number 2, part of this protection will mean that you do have the right to continue living at the home regardless of the intent of the landlord, selling agent or potential new owner. Number 3, as I'll show you later in the video, there's more to just the basic rights of being able to remain in the home until your lease ends. You will, however, need to work with the agent or landlord should they wish to market the home for sale. This doesn't have to be as scary as it seems. Number 4, the most important part of this is to clearly communicate your situation or any concerns you have about to your property manager or selling agent. Upfront communications will minimize any disruptions to you and will allow the process to evolve as smoothly as possible. And finally, just because the landlord is selling doesn't mean to say you'll automatically be asked to leave. Often your future owner will be an investor who would absolutely love to have you stay on as existing tenants and even ask you to sign a new lease. As I mentioned earlier, in my experience, finding a win-win outcome for all parties is highly achievable and doesn't mean having to find a new place. Understanding your rights as a tenant is important, but being flexible and open to possibilities can often mean an even better outcome for both you and the new owner of the home where you live. I hope you found this useful, and if you would like some help on your specific situation, drop us a comment below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have, if either as a tenant or even a homeowner who is considering selling a tenanted property.